So we're now in the MGZS or same similar panel as the ZSEV. The new model, but if you have any other vehicles, you can find this in pretty much exactly the same location. So what we want to find is this car setting. So again, in some other cars, this car setting may hidden over here. Maybe in the second menu, or if you're in the new version of the ZSE, you may find in the secondary menu in the vehicle setting. Anyway, go into this car setting over here. Now we want to go to comfort and convenience. Under the comfort convenience, we have the lighting. So the lighting will have a follow me home function. So this has to be enabled obviously to use this feature. I will explain how to use that. If you do not wish to use this, click off. If you want to use this, you can click on. If it's not the new MGZS EV, you are able to switch this on and off. And also you are able to select it between 30 seconds to 90 seconds. And so we're on the standard petrol version or HS. You can only select on or off. That means only 30 seconds will be the display time for the follow me home lights. So what we want to do, and if you want to engage the follow me home function, once it's engaged, once you have the vehicle running, if your headlight stays on while the vehicle is running, and then you power off the vehicle. After the power off, we want to push the lever back towards the steering. Just one touch. That means your headlights will stay on for 30 seconds. Now you can get out the vehicle, lock the vehicle. Even if you lock the vehicle, the headlight will still stays on for 30 seconds. So you can see your driveway, you can see your surrounding areas in front of you. So that's quite handy before you get home, get to your garage, anything like that. So this is a cool feature that's available. If you do want to cancel that following me home, you just tap again so that the 30 seconds will not wait until 30 seconds. Instead, automatically and disengage for you. So no lights when you get out. So I'll show you in the dark how that works as well. So very cool feature. Cool, so now you can see I'm in the vehicle with the vehicle running. It's dark outside. That means the auto headlight is engaged on this level. And the headlight is on. Obviously, we are going to push the engine off. Switch off just like that. And then if we do want to use the follow me home function, at the front, all we want to do, pull the light control to back towards the steering once. Just like that, the headlight is now on. And obviously, if you do not want to engage that anymore, you can pull it back so lights are off. But if you do want to use that, pull it. And let's get out of the car and see what will happen. There we go, look at that. So the headlight stays on for example. This is 30 seconds, so even if I lock the vehicle, they will still stay on, same as the tail lights, just like that. So obviously these particular setting is 30 seconds. In some other models you can set it longer, but then that allows you to see driveway or your surrounding areas before you go into your garage or car parks, everything like that. After 30 seconds, this will automatically disengage. There we go. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video and content, please make sure you subscribe and like for more MG videos in the future. See you next time.